Waddle, off. Let me think about it. No. Waddle, I have told you to off. Oh, okay. Thank you. Waddle! What? You told me to stop playing with this one, not this one. Stop playing with both of those annoying toys. Fine. Thank you. Waddle! What? I'm not even playing with any of those two fidget toys. Okay. Stop playing with any sort of toys that obviously are going to annoy me. Okay. Right, thanks for understanding. Waddle, stop! Oh, you alright, Waddle? Yeah, just showing Freddy my new fidget toys, but he keeps getting annoyed at them. Look. Whoa, those are cool. Yeah, I know, right? But Freddy doesn't think so. Oh, by the way, have we came up with names for the two twins? No, not really. Are you sure you two don't have names? We were both literally created by the cloud of darkness. Do you think we would just randomly think of a name when we were born? Right, let me think of a name for you two. Idea. Right, I'll name you Hex and I'll name you Hiccup. You know what? Not bad. Right, hello Hex. Hello Hiccup. Right, everyone, meet Hex and Hiccup. But which one is which? Yeah, just call one of their names and they'll respond. Yeah, but knowing twins, they'll likely pretend to be each other. Oh, don't give them ideas. Oh. Yep, we're gonna do exactly that. You know what? I'm gonna go and apologize to Freddy. You know what? Well, that is very mature of you. And then I'll actually show him my fidget toys. Hello, Freddy. Hello, Waddle. Look, I'm sorry that I made you mad. You're right, I need to be more considerate. You know what, Waddle? Thank you for understanding. Would you like to see my fidget toys now? Wait, what? Waddle, stop!